Your SAP resume has just 20 seconds to impress a hiring manager. In this video, I will show you how to prepare a resume that gets noticed using my own SAP experience as an example. And I will share the tips for freshers along the way. Start with the strong highlights section. This is your elevator pitch. In my resume, I included SAP HR and payroll experience, implementations, and certifications. For freshers, focus on SAP training, certifications, and transferable skills like problem solving and communication. This section combines your SAP experience and accomplishments. For example, I highlighted roles like SAP SCM consultant and business analyst, and projects such as payroll optimization and full cycle implementations. Include measurable skills like reducing onboarding time or improving payroll accuracy. For freshers, replace this with academic projects, internships, or hands-on practice environments. Education and skills matter. I listed my MBA in HR and marketing and technical skills like SAP HR modules, success factors, and testing tools. Freshers should highlight relevant coursework and tools like Excel or reporting platforms. Tailor your resume to the job description. Keep it clean, concise, and results focused. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment your biggest SAP resume challenge, and I will help you out. If you need one-on-one guidance, email me at sapwithbhagya@gmail.com.